I'm Neil Cabilbil, Pumping Grid Manager of Mapman Pumping Facilities under Angat Water System. Pagkarabi, Inay.
Anong order mo?
Dating gawi.
Dating gawi, gusto mo yung sisig,
Opo.
kanin. Saan ka na ngayon nag-aaral?
Sa Tarlac State po.
Anong kinukuha mong course?
Mechanical Engineering.
Galingan mo
Kumusta ka na anak? Saan ka nagtatrabaho?
Sa Manila Water po.
Sinong kasama mo?
Si Jet na po katrabaho ko.
Mabuti may kasama ka na ngayon.
I have been working with Neil since 2019. From the time of my interview, I already saw the potential of his technical and leadership skill. To date, we are now seeing the results from being a chief fed to a plant manager and now as a pumping station grid manager of Makati, Mandaluyong.
Na-emphasize sa akin ni Sir Neil ang safety dahil best way is the safe way. Yan na rin yung pinamahagi ko sa akin mga shift head at plant controllers ng San Juan PS.
Si Sir Neil, pinoint out niya sa akin na ang facility mo ay reflection of who you are as a person and as a leader. Kaya dapat maintain natin na malinis at maayos yung planta natin.
Pagdating sa compliance, on time, kumpleto, at tama. Because compliance is not just about following the rules. It's about responsibility and accountability.
Malaki po yung naitulong sa amin ni Sir Neil sa Linang program ng Foundation. So during our partnership with Angat Buhay, tinap kami ni Attorney Lenny Robredo to assist and set yung path ng mga initiatives na ibibigay namin sa Metro Naga Water District dahil sila ay nasa water crisis. So, tinulungan niya kami from operations to pressure management assessment. At the same time, tinulungan niya din kami sa aming environment program sa Sibol during our tree planting activities.
Ang dalawang word na madidescribe ko sa kanya ay leadership and hard work. Marunong siya mag-inspire sa mga tao niya.
Si Sir Neil, naging line manager ko yan nung plant manager ako dito sa Balara Pumping Station way back 2022. Nung time nakasama ko siya, nabubusog ako sa knowledge. Hanggang promoted ako as Pumping Grid Station Manager dito sa QC Marikina Grid. Pag sinabing Neil Cabilbil, standard yan ng pumping station.
He was able to influence yung mga bagong leaders na meron ngayon sa Manila Water, lalong-lalo na yung sa Clark Water. He was able to give strategic advice in terms of changing the mindset, how to make the operations more efficient. We conducted a benchmark and he was very patient in accommodating and sharing his knowledge.
Yung pump optimization program kasi ni Neil, ang ganda niyan eh. Bukod dun sa paglatag nung every week, every day, kung anong inaayos na pump, ngayon pa lang, daman na natin yung benepisyo nito. Meron na mga na-implement yung sa Modesta, Brookside din na pump operating scheme optimization. Ramdam na ito, may benepisyo na. Pag natuloy-tuloy pa ito, bumulusok pa yung programa, mas lalagana pa yung benepisyo mararamdaman natin mula dito sa pump efficiency program niya na ito.
Neil demonstrates strong leadership and is a great asset, especially during the implementation of energy initiatives. His dedication and sense of collaboration enables smooth teamwork and timely project completion for our solar and pump efficiency initiative.
He played a major role in MMSSA achieving its revenue target. He is very responsive, reliable, and very supportive in all our programs that we implemented last year. One of the notable items that he played a major role is the resolution of the low pressure in Dunkin' Donut and also the pressure increases across the service areas that made us achieve our revenue target.
We are nominating Neil in the Raja Leadership Award because of the following reason. The first one is his tenacity. It is made evident during the 56 ml shutdown. Nobody can shut down the flow valve of the old 56 ml. But with his leadership, he was able to find a technical solution, of course with the help of PMG, the contractors, and operations, on how to solve that problem. And that brings us to the second point, which is collaboration. He is the pump efficiency technical lead for the whole of water supply. And he was able to do it in record time. And because of that, the facilities are able to do the necessary projects and adjustment on time, thus achieving our target power efficiency. The third one is his ability to rally his team. One critical project that he drives is the 5S and safety for all the pump station managers, shift head, and contractors within the facilities. I think that Neil has this great potential to become future leaders of this company and in the future maybe a division head for water supply.